Hi guys, I wanted to just create a quick video kind of explaining what the rest of the semester is going to look like for world history using Google Classroom, Pearson, and Zoom. So if you get into our world history Google Classroom and go to classwork, you can see that I've been working and adding some stuff for our class. Here is our class Zoom link. This is where you will go and you will click on this link to get into our world history class, and we meet every Tuesday from 10:40 to 11:10 a.m. So you'll click on the link below to join the class, and when you do that, you will be entered into the Zoom class waiting room, and then I will add you in once we're ready to get started. When you're added in, your video and your mic will automatically be turned off, and if you hover your arrow over the bottom left of your Zoom window, you can turn your video and your sound on. I'm asking though that you keep your sound turned off unless you have a comment or you need to ask a question so that we don't have a lot of background noise. Okay. If you go back, here are my office hours. My office hours are on Wednesdays from 10:40 to 11:10 a.m. Here is the link to my office hours Zoom. It's the same link that you'll use for world history, but here's that. But if you have a question or need help at times other than just Wednesdays from 10:40 to 11:10 a.m., you can shoot me an email and I will schedule a time to assist you and to help you. So don't be afraid to send me emails and reach out to me if you need help. Okay, so what we're going to do for world history. I'm going to create weekly modules. Here you can see I've created this week, March 30th to April 3rd, and I've added some work and assignments. So if you click on assigned reading, here you can see that I'm asking you to go into Pearson. We're going to start with the French Revolution and read topic 12, lesson 6 about the beginning of the Revolution, French Revolution, topic 12, lesson 7 about the radical phase of the French Revolution. We've done this. You guys know Pearson, so this should be really familiar to you. But if you have any questions or you need any help, reach out to me. Okay, so you need to do the reading. Here you can see that I've added the French Revolution PowerPoint. For this week, I just need you to go over slides 1 through 44. So just do a few each day, okay? Then you have a Pearson assignment. Again, this should be familiar. Just go into classes and you will see this assignment. Okay, make sure that in your responses to any questions asked, reflection questions in Pearson, that you're very thorough, that you use evidence from the text and good grammar, spelling, and punctuation. You have another, if you go into classes, you have another Pearson assignment about the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen. Again, same thing. When you're answering the questions, do a good job, provide evidence, good grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Then I have a reading here about a mother in France during the French Revolution and her dilemma facing hunger. You need to read the article, and then you've got a few questions here, and we will discuss this together when we meet next week. Here's another assignment in Pearson, again going to classes over the Reign of Terror. Same thing, be thorough, provide evidence, good grammar, spelling, and punctuation, and then we have the French Revolution quiz. You can see that I'm trying to be flexible with due dates. Everything is due by Sunday at 11:59, but if you guys are struggling to meet due dates or you really are struggling with the class being this way, or if you need any help, make sure you reach out to me. I'll be very flexible in helping you guys along this journey. It's new to me also, so we're going to work through this together and try to make it the best that we can. So again, if you have any questions, any concerns, shoot me an email. Otherwise, I will see you guys on Tuesdays from 10:40 to 11:10.